Hey guys, welcome back to Four Wheel Boys. Today we got Black Widow in here, and we're going to be doing some exhaust work today. Alright, so what we're doing is completely redoing the exhaust system on Black Widow. I don't know if you guys remember, I never really went into depth on it, but I know a couple of videos featured the exhaust. But we're going to go with side pipes. I say we, but me, it's my truck. But anyways, this is all the pieces that we're going to need to go from the headers to the side pipes. The side pipes are kind of huge, so I didn't feel like clearing out the whole shop just to get a picture. If I would have thought, I would have done it before I started. But I've already done a lot of work off camera to kind of spare you guys, because it was just boring grinding work, cutting. Had to cut these pieces off here, of these longer pieces of pipe. Bought these at the local parts store, 2 of them. These I already had on the exhaust, so I reused them because the parts store didn't have any. Reused these off the old exhaust, and these are the factory, I'm not sure what exactly they call them. It's the connector that goes from the pipe to the exhaust manifold or headers, or actually from the headers to the pipe. And that's the paint I'm going to be using on at least all of the welds, so that way it don't rust out like my old exhaust did, which is why we're here. So keep on watching and I'll show you some of me mocking everything up. I don't know how much we'll get underneath this little truck, but we'll try it. Alright, here we'll get you a little sound clip of what it sounds like before with open headers. And this is not like a cold start, but it's been sitting here for a couple hours. And I didn't bring any of my camera stuff, so I'm just gonna have to hold it and shoot it all on my phone. So there we go. There it is, all loud and obnoxious, and while you're driving it and you let off to engine brake or just coast or whatever, then it pops, backfires. So we gotta fix this. Alright guys, I've got most of it, well, I've got some of it mocked up, and try to show you guys. That's pretty well as close as I can get it with what I have. There's going to be a couple little gaps we got to fill, but we're going to go with that. So I might get you a little clip of me welding this all together, but I won't show the tacking because it'll be a mess. I'll have a bunch of stuff going on around, crawling under the truck with the welder and whatnot. So I'll just show you up on the workbench doing the full welding. Alright guys, like I said, I didn't bring any of my camera stuff, and I couldn't find a good place to set the phone up to get videos of the final welding, but here's the finished pipe. I mean, not the prettiest exhaust you'll ever see, but I didn't find any holes, so we're gonna call it good and let the paint dry and see how it sounds. Okay guys, got all the welding work done. Got the pipe on this side. Around here. Got the pipe on this side. And currently we are working on the hangers for the side pipes so we can actually finish it up. But before we do that, give you a little sound of, I'm not sure what to call those pipes, but
Down pipes?
down pipes? Yeah. There's Connor. We finally have one of the, see, we did have another one of the actual four-wheel boys. Connor was just a temporary one, but I think he's been in more videos than Showman and Ian have. Yeah. There goes Showman. He didn't make it into any of the videos. He had to go home. But here's the sound of just the down pipes. Don't sound much different than open headers, just a little more tame, I guess, but we'll bring you back when we got the side pipes on and let you have a listen to that. Alright guys, here it is. Got the side pipes on, fully installed, as they're gonna be. And what I thought was gonna be maybe a 3 to 4 hour job is almost exactly 12 hours now that I look at the clock. But there it is. I think it looks good. Let's see how it sounds. I think it sounds pretty good. Give it a little rev. That's way deeper than it used to be. I'm liking it. Alright guys, well I hope you liked the video, and stay tuned for more shenanigans much like this one.